guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really peachy look with this rose gold liner. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I absolutely love the way that this look turned out, and I think that it's super easy to achieve. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla to prime my eyelids, and I'm just applying a nice even base and then setting it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm going into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and if you love warm tones in the crease, highly recommend this palette. The shade Still Shot and Baja are one of my favorite shades to use in the crease when I want to do a really peachy orange look. So first I'm going in with Still Shot and this big fluffy brush, and I'm just starting to add that into my crease, going in left and right motions, and as you can see, it's the perfect peachy shade. This palette is super pigmented, and yeah, I really like it. So I'm just going in left and right motions, and then I grabbed a bigger, fluffier brush to really diffuse the edges, and I've been doing that a lot recently, and it's just a quicker way to get a blended look by using a clean brush to diffuse those edges. And then I'm going into the shade Baja and my angled brush, and as you guys can see, I'm going above my natural crease, and I'm just going in left and right motions, drawing a line from the left to the right side of my eyelid. Next, I grabbed this small tapered brush, and it's still fluffy enough to kind of diffuse this line, and I'm first going in with Still Shot, which is the lighter shade, and I'm just kind of diffusing that line. And then I went in with an even smaller tapered brush, and I'm going back in with Baja and just re-adding some of that color into that crease, and that's how we get a nice gradient line. And then I grabbed my angled brush and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Fair, which I love to carve my lid. And I just carved my lid and also set the lid. Whenever I'm doing a look and I'm going to leave the lid bare, I like to set it with some translucent powder. It gives it a little bit of a color, and it also ensures that your concealer isn't going to budge at all. And then I went ahead and diffused those two shades on the outer corner. So first, Still Shot with my big tapered brush, and then Baja with my small tapered brush. Next, I'm going into my Appeal Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. If you guys watched my vanity tour and getting ready with new products video, then you guys saw me use this shade all over the lid. It's absolutely stunning. There's nothing patchy about this liquid shadow. It's just amazing, and the applicator can be squeezed, the tip of it, so you can get a nice precise line. So I went ahead and drew a liner. It was really easy to draw a liner, especially with tape. And then I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes. For the lower lash line, I just am applying the same two shades that we did in the upper crease. And then I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara onto my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I am going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I just felt like a gold highlighter on the inner corner would really bring everything together. And then I just grabbed my spoolie and ran it through some bar soap. I absolutely love this trick for wispy brows. It just kind of helps them look a little bit more natural after carving them out. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, guys, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel. We pick a brand new giveaway winner at the end of every single month. So definitely, if you guys want to be entered for that, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!